Shares are down slightly, and they've been, as you see here, on an intraday basis, a little all over the map. Bryn, you own it as well. Josh, I'm going to get to you in a second. But what's your read? Was it good enough? Good enough.
I think that's fair. It wasn't the cleanest number. It was a little bit of a mixed bag. Their revenues beat expectations. Their earnings were under. What I did think was impressive, though, is they seem to have already found a new chip for the A800 that we banned from China. So that, to me, just speaks about how very quickly Jensen Huang and team are able to pivot. I think that ultimately this company is in transition. It's in transition from working off inventories. It's in transition of working off gaming. China remains a wild card. And I also think it's in transition of working down the multiple. It continues to be a high multiple company. I continue to own it. I'm not adding here. I'm going to wait because I want to be patient. As our earlier conversation about the Fed, I don't want to fight the Fed. And this is a tech stock that has a lot of exposure to China. So mixed bag, but I think net, I'm keeping it, and only down less than 1% today tells you that the market's okay with it. Part
of the translation of that is I'm afraid it might go lower because I'm not fighting the Fed.
Yeah, I mean, it was at 125, right? Just the other day.
Yeah.
It's had a huge run.
It was up 40% into the number.
Right. So, I mean, in hindsight, that would have been a perfect catch of a falling knife. But I'm going to be patient here because I do think it's a high multiple stock. I'm going to hold it long term. And I think there will be a better time for me to enter when I have more clarity about what the Fed is going to do.
Okay. So, Josh Brown, targets cut. Targets raised, almost an equal amount on the street. A lot of reiterations of outperforms or buys or overweights. What's your thought here now that you've had, some time to digest what happened?
Yeah, I think Bryn has it exactly right, and I feel much the same way. I'm a long-term investor in the stock. I didn't think that this would be a particularly great quarter. During Q2, they told us they were realigning inventories to get back in line with where demand actually is. Keep in mind, we're lapping some pandemic-era quarters this year. The 2021 numbers, you had people just buying computers, gaming, everything under the sun, and nobody needs to do that twice. So the market has to digest, the market for everything they sell has to digest. And I think the biggest headline here is gaming revenue down 51%, but data center up 32%. Hey, let me make this very clear. I don't ever urge anyone to do anything.
Well,
I only talk about what I myself am doing.
I understand that, but people who watch the show,
I would tell you, this is
as recommendations for certain things. Let's just be clear.
Well, yeah. So people should do their own research because everyone has a different time frame. If I were looking for a short-term trading opportunity, I would not buy the stock here. This is a name that now has to digest a 40% plus bounce off of its low. It is a higher multiple stock than most of its peer group and the overall market. And I don't think that you're going to see much of a change in trend on the gaming side of this business in Q4 either. So this would not be a moment where I say, all right, I want to go into NVIDIA for a short-term move. As a longer-term investor, though, when you look at the work that they're doing in AI, and they announced a partnership with Microsoft earlier to build an AI supercomputer, like that to me is the real promise of this story. And unfortunately, because this is such a high performer and such a high growth name, you have to live with a lot of volatility in between those really great quarters that they report. So I thought they did enough to justify the ramp that we've seen in the stock since it bottomed out. But I wouldn't rule out further volatility in the overall market. So this is a name that has a high beta. And if you're worried about market volatility, this will give you more than the overall market. Historically, it always has.
Michael Farr, your read on the semis, which have rallied a lot of late, too. We went into this report saying, OK, well, what does this mean for the semis? What does this mean for tech? You got the Buffett buy, or at least the Berkshire buy, to be more accurate, of Taiwan Semi, which had attention spilling towards the chips as well. So how do you put it into context now?
I'm now taking a closer look. I've been out of the semis for a while. I think they're really cyclical, right, and economically sensitive. And if you believe the stats about recession, this 3-month inversion says we're going into one 1,000%. So I think we're getting to a point where you can buy them. But I'm with Josh and I'm with Bryn. I think you can pick your timing. But this is a time to really start doing your homework and do your math and figure out what numbers make sense to you. I am going to own these. I'm guessing first, second quarter, but I'd love to own them.
Okay, real quick on Cisco. Good earnings, good guidance. Stock's up about 3 2/3% today.
I'll make it really quick. This is a great insight into enterprise spending, which is strong, and their guidance says it's going to continue to be strong. Recession? I don't see it. Cisco doesn't see it.